here we go. We got him. We hooked up.
Get him.
We got him hooked up.
Get him. Oh, double.
We got him double. Ah, we blocked that. So we.
What was it?
Both of them was bass.
What?
One of them broke the line and the other one just let it go.
All right, man. That's it. You gotta take that shirt off.
Look at this, guys. We had a double hook. One of them broke, and the other one let go.
You got worms out there?
No, those are live rim.
Yeah, he's got big fish. He's got saltwater hooks on there. He's doing what I told you we were going to do that day. He's got the big hook with the live perch on it. You're going to see him catch a monster out there today. They were rolling this morning, dude, all over the lake.
Were they?
You know, almost like the oxygen was down.
That's the first time I done had double hooked up at the same time.
Yeah, this morning, dude, around like 6:30 before it was getting daylight, but the sun wasn't up yet. All you could see was just big rolls in the water. The water was like a sheet of glass this morning, and you just see big rolls. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they're big. I done caught some big 7, 8, 9 pounders right here off his edge.
What's that? Bass or
bass? Yeah, they're all bass.
I got a picture of this guy with an 8.5 pounder, and he caught it on one of these little jigs of 4-pound casts right here in the
I saw you. He was.
Hey there. We're trying.
Yeah, let me tell y'all, that is crazy. Double hook up. And we missed both of them.
Is it crappie already? Yeah, really. Yeah, you want to see him?
We got more little trim here. That's a nice size we need. So one of them I'm going to get back out, our main one. We're going to get that one back out on the water. The other one we actually
wow, that's more than a couple.
broke our line, so we're going to have to reconstruct it. We haven't changed that line up in a while. So I'm going to Carolina rig that one. Since I drop it off the live bait now. I got a pretty good little size brim there. He's kind of lively, so we drop him back down.
I'm really good at like live bait crappie fishing. I'm just learning to do this. And I've got other baits that I use for a long time. That is the
we work on this one.
Okay. Yeah.
So when I first hooked up with this one here, what I thought was, I thought this one just wrapped up in a line on that other one. And this one broke off. Thank you. You didn't need them? All right. Well, have a good day. Thank you. So until this one broke off, and that one was still running, and what he did something different. He actually ran out toward deeper water than straight down. I think that's pretty much kind of pulled a little bit too late. So we got another 2-ounce hook. It's going to take us a little bit of time to get that back. It's actually kind of dark. I normally don't use the ones that are this dark. I have to take some more. We're going to drop him down. He's a little big, so if something hit him, we know it's going to be big. But he's lively.
What color is he in? That's like a pink, dark purple. Yeah, that's what I just lost.
So that one has a half-ounce weight on it. I'm not going to go all the way on the bottom with that since it's a half-ounce. So we're going to be swinging a lot. You don't want to get tangled up down at the bottom, which probably is going to happen. Not deep, really.
Not all that.
No, we're not that deep.
Right, sure.
All right, we're back in swing. Now let's see if one of those big ones come back for something else. Yeah,
So he's coming out here on Tuesday, they said?
Yeah.
Ashton?
But only got one reel left. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more bait fishing. Hey guys, thanks for coming in. Go ahead and hit that like button while you're here. Appreciate it. He's the one. He's in our other line. That's that one.
Get him?
Yeah, he's on there. He came back. You can get towards the back.
Oh, look at that.
Got him.
Well, that's a big one.
There you go.
Look at that. That is a catfish. Is that bass or catfish?
A
Catch
bass.
him on a live perch?
Yes, sir.
Black bass.
No, I don't think it's a black bass. Just came back. One of them.
Yeah,
I think he's smaller than the one we missed a while ago.
he looks small.
So probably about 2 pounders.
I know.
Are y'all keeping?
Yeah,
2 pounds, pretty good size.
Yeah.